Alright, these are the elevators here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Erie, Pennsylvania. They are Otis Series 5, my very first Series 5 with the egg lanterns. 6 is locked. Let's go up to 5. No, close one works. Let's go back down to the lobby. Get a cab view. It's your basic Otis Series 5 elevator, and a nice one at that though. I like the handrails. This right here appears to be a time clock of some sort. Oh, you can hear the other one going up. Let's take one more ride on this one. Now we'll go down to the lobby. This hotel is actually attached to the Courtyard at Marriott. I'll send this car up a couple of floors and try again. Go ahead.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Let's try to get the other one. There goes that one. Ooh, the panel's coming loose. There's copyrighted music playing, so I may have to mute the audio. Oh, call station's falling apart. Take it up to 5. Now I guess we can end it up here. Here it goes, and for all you fire alarm fans, there's the fire alarm. It's a simplex true alert. Okay, that's it.